Pelicans and Mudcats finishing off the home slate for the Birds in 2019. Ramon Sessions, the Myrtle Beach native and former NBA player, was in-house for his bobblehead night. Pelicans trailing 2-0 in the fourth inning. Luke Reynolds got things going on a great night for him. A two-run double to center field. Carlos Sepulveda and Grant Fennell came in to score, and the Birds tied the game up at 4 apiece. Later on, in the fifth inning, Pelicans turned to Zach Taylor for some defense. That's a great diving catch on a sinking line drive into shallow right center field for the first out of the fifth inning, and Luke Reynolds wasn't done. He blasted this one to center field, nearly missing a home run off the middle of the wall just over Wes Rogers' head. That brought in the go-ahead run with Miguel Amaya, and the Pelicans then led 3-2. They would go on to win it by a final score of 5-2 over Carolina, and the first ever game that finished off a regular season slate. That was a sellout in Myrtle Beach. 6,599 fans came on out tonight, and we'd like to thank each and every one of you for making your way out. Brendan Little gets the win. He went 6 innings, allowing 2 runs on 3 hits while striking out 6 for the Pelicans. And the Birds once again got shutout baseball out of the bullpen. Jesus Camargo picked up the save, his 4th of the year, with 3 shutout innings. Once again, Pelicans win 5-2 to finish out the home slate in the regular season, but hopefully playoffs are on the horizon for Myrtle Beach. Next, it's an 11-game road trip. 3 in Salem, 4 in Potomac, and 4 more in Wilmington. But hopefully we'll be back on the Grand Strand for more baseball in the first week of September. Until then, we'd like to thank everybody for all their hard work this year, and you fans as well. We'll see you next year, if not in the playoffs, here at TicketReturn.com field at Pelicans Ballpark.